Are you preparing for NEET? If yes, then EduRev App has literally everything that you need to crack the NEET exam. Firstly, it has courses for all the main subjects like biology, chemistry, and physics for both Class 11 and Class 12. You will find the most structured course on topic-wise tests for all the chapters of all three subjects, which are completely based on NCERT. You'll even find a separate course for all the NCERT resources. There are practice courses for previous year questions with solutions for biology, chemistry, and physics as well. For your quick revision, there are courses for subject-wise mind maps for every subject prepared by the best teachers to complete your NEET preparation. You also get complete mock test series, where you get personalized analysis with all India rank and solutions to each and every question. You'll find even solutions to all the famous books for your preparation, like D.C. Pandey, H.C. Verma, and EduRev. Now, let us have a tour of how to study all this on EduRev. You should start with biology as it has the maximum weightage in the NEET exam. 50% of the questions asked in NEET are from biology section. In this course, you'll find all the chapters of biology class 11 in chronological order of NCERT textbook. Let's look at the first chapter, The Living World, to help you understand how to learn any topic in your syllabus. You'll find notes which are completely based on NCERT and NEET pattern to help you fully understand and retain all the concepts. By watching the videos, you'll get your concepts cleared and learn all the topics. The most interesting thing is that you get questions in between the notes and videos which help you quickly recap what you just learned. Then, you must solve the topic-wise tests to get full confidence in that topic. All these tests can easily be attempted daily and provide you with all India rank and detailed solutions. To score well in NEET, it is really important to practice a maximum number of questions from a particular chapter. EduRev has topic-wise tests, 31-year previous year questions tests, and even assertion reason-based tests compiled by the best teachers. Similar to the biology class 11 course, you have courses for physics and chemistry for both classes 11 and 12. As and when you have completed a particular chapter or a particular topic, go and attempt daily practice problems, DPP, from the DPPs for the NEET course. You get solutions for all these DPPs as well. To check whether you have completed a chapter as per NEET standards, now go and attempt chapter-wise previous year questions from the 31 years NEET previous year papers, and if the score is less than 90%, my friend, this indicates that you have to revisit the chapter and give it a read again. You also get revision notes and subject-wise mind maps for your last-minute preparation. After covering the whole syllabus, now is the time for the NEET mock test series. You can give part tests and full mock tests during your preparation as well, and you need to give at least 20 mock tests in total. Also, in case you need guidance and mentorship, there is a special course on how to prepare for NEET, prepared by the best mentors to guide you on how should study smartly and effectively. We obviously cannot fit everything in a single video. So go and start using the app to get all this and a lot more in a single package of EduRev Infinity for NEET, which is available at a very, very affordable price. You won't find anything which is better and definitely not at a price close to this. Just go and join EduRev Infinity package now and complete your journey from a NEET aspirant to a doctor.